Do you feel stressed out when people start asking you questions about you in English? You become stressed, nervous, and perplexed. Why? Why are you scared? Sometimes this is because the attention is on you and you have to respond instantly, right? In the lesson of the day, we are gonna solve this problem. There are multifarious type of questions, but today we are only talking about the questions started with to be. We'll not discuss about he, they, or any other subject. We'll talk about only you and how you respond in present, in past, or in future. Let's move ahead. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about the question about you. In our daily life, we have to respond these types of question all of sudden, and your answer should not only be no or yes. You have to be a bit precise because only yes and no seems a bit strict and not polite, and also show your stress and shyness. You have to respond a little bit more like a sentence. This little bit more is called short answers. Okay, this is not for IELTS. This is for your daily communication skills. For example, are you are you busy? You are not to respond yes or no. You are to say yes, I am. And if you are not busy, you can say no, I am not. Your answers options are yes, I am, no, I am not, this, and this. These are called short answers with verb to be. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. This could be contracted a little bit. Yes, no, I'm not. Don't analyze, just repeat after me so that it comes out of your mouth automatically. Are you British? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Are you a teacher? Yes, no, I'm not. See how easy it is. Are you at the shopping mall? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Let's move ahead. Are you having lunch right now? If you are having lunch, you could say, yes, I am. If you are not, you can say, no, I am not. Are you attending any meeting? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Let's move towards past. In past, you will be asked, were you? Were you? Were you doing your homework when I called you? And here also you have two options. Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Were you happy yesterday? If you were, you can say, yes, I was. And if not, no, I wasn't. Just pretend and answer right after my question. Were you on the phone? Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Now it's the turn of future tense. First, we talked about are you? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Then the question was were you? And our answer changes. Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Now we'll talk about future. Will you be something? We are gonna ask. Will you be in the coffee shop? Yes, I will. No, I won't. Will you be studying for exams tonight? Yes, I will. No, I won't. So, are you? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Were you? Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Will you be? Yes, I will. No, I won't.